We are now presenting Ricoh AI Experience. Ricoh, with over 60 years of presence in Hong Kong, offering cutting-edge technological solutions. Imagine handling tons of data filing, image categorization, content creation, and code generation. These can all be achievable in an instant. By inputting data and images, insightful graphs can be created to support decision-making process or provide self-training assistance for employees in the engineering industry. Consider the insurance sector. Comparing policies and figures can be swiftly executed. In the accounting field, combining 5 years of audits with a quick financial analysis can be completed in just 1.52 seconds. The Ricoh InnoAI Hub, which utilizes RAG technology, is powered by the Ricoh Large Language Model, developed in the award-winning Software Research Center in Beijing. The Ricoh InnoAI program is launched in 2025, supporting the development of the artificial intelligence industry and forming a unique AI ecosystem in Hong Kong. Ricoh InnoAI, transforming your business.